Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to take the middle thing out of your sink. This is a common task for cleaning or retrieving dropped items. First, let's identify the type of stopper you have. Most sinks feature either a pop-up stopper with a lift rod, a simple drop-in stopper, or a push-pull mechanism. Knowing your stopper type is the crucial first step for easy removal. For pop-up stoppers, look under your sink for the pivot rod connected to the lift rod. You will find a large nut securing this rod to the drain pipe. Loosen this nut, often by hand, and then gently pull the horizontal pivot rod out. Once the rod is free, the stopper inside the drain can be easily lifted straight up and out. This allows for thorough cleaning. If your sink has a drop-in or push-pull stopper, removal is usually simpler. Many push-pull types just require a gentle twist, about 1/4 turn counterclockwise, before lifting them straight out. Others are designed to simply pull straight up without any twisting. If it feels stuck, check the top for a small screw that might need loosening with a screwdriver. This reveals the mechanism. After removing your stopper, take this opportunity for maintenance. Clean any hair or debris from the stopper and the drain opening using a small brush or paper towel. For pop-up stoppers, ensure the pivot rod is clean before reinserting. A tiny amount of plumber's grease on the pivot rod or threads can help with smooth operation. Reinsert the stopper carefully, aligning it correctly for a good seal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.